Traders to another Tickmill trading update with me, Patrick Manley. We want to take a look at the US indices as we head into this new trading week, new trading month, and identify some potential action areas and price objectives to target. So on Friday, we saw a sharp end of day rally, end of month rally. Heading into the close, we squeezed up from our support zone into the 5200 area to trade back above 5300 this morning. As we head into today's session and the early part of the week, in terms of the macro drivers for the week, we have ECB on Thursday and jobs data in the US on Friday. So it's back end loaded in terms of data catalysts. From a technical perspective, I'm looking for price to extend slightly higher here and test into my bull bear zone for the week, which is 53.23 to 53.33. I'll be watching on the intraday charts for potential exhaustion signals if we can grind up into this area for a pullback to test the 52.70 to 52.60 once again from above. If buyers step in there, then I'll be anticipating that that we break through the value area high here, 53.45, and then we target 54.11 to 54.30 as the principal upside objectives for this current cycle that we are in. Any loss of the 52.60 to the downside, or 52.50, sorry, would have bearish implications and suggest that we may be in the process of putting in a double corrective move. So we would see another leg to the downside before once again trying to rebuild support and move things higher. That being said, in terms of a potential target, if we hold that the bull bear zone, 51.60s would be a target on the downside to bear in mind. But like I say, for now, focus is on the upside, and I'm looking for prices to extend here, certainly into Thursday, Friday timescales. Moving to the Nasdaq. Nasdaq is equally bullish structure after the reversal on Friday. Didn't quite extend in a relative sense as we did in terms of the ES, but we are trading up now above 18,680. My bull bear zone is going to be the 18,790s to 18,850 area. I'm looking initially for price to stall there, pullbacks then to find support into the high volume node back into the 18,600 zone. Bullish reversal patterns from that area should see us then extend for the next upside objective is 19,230s on the upside. If we don't find support at the value area high into those 18,600s, then similar sense to what I was talking about with the S&P, we could see a double corrective move, and I think we could be looking for a move certainly down to take a look at the 18,000 area as support. Last but not least, the Dow Jones, relative underperformer, in terms of these US indices. So I'm looking for an extension up into the bull bear zone here, the high volume node for this 4-hour profile, 39,100 to 39,200. From there, I'd be looking for pullbacks and look for support into the 38,500s to then target another leg to the upside to test into the 39,660 area, weekly projected range resistance 39,700. Obviously, any loss of the support into 38,500 would be a bearish development and suggest that we check into support at the value area low, 38,000. We also have weekly projected range support coming in 37,900 through there, and we will be looking for a test down into 37,580. As always, traders, plan the trade, trade the plan, and most importantly, manage your risk. Until next time, thanks very much.